Hello everyone, this is Satakshi Rajput. So today a short interview with one of the famous, or you can say a young trainer, young yoga trainer guest in our studio. So would like to welcome. Her name is Vaibhavi Rajput. As in relation, we both are sisters, but yes, she knows very well about yoga and the yoga lifestyle. If I talk about her experiences, her age, and her qualifications, so all of these things were very, it's the initial stage of the starting. But yes, if I talk about her knowledge, that is this much. So for that, I am going to ask something about yoga, which is very beneficial for everyone, because now the yoga is becoming a trend also. Even it's very important for everyone's life, because the yoga is what, it's a yogic tradition which is very astonishing and very helpful in building our life, in building our health. Even present, we all were fighting with the immune system, we all were fighting with COVID-19. And if the newses, if you have gone through the newses, if you have gone through the past days, which the discussion is going on continuously, that is all about COVID-19. And this COVID-19, the formal name is your coronavirus. We everybody knows about this. Behind this corona, what is the reason of that, what is the reason of attacking this virus, is what? Weaker immune system. If the person have the weaker immune system, this virus is attacking very repeatedly, this virus is attacking very fast on that person. Even the medicines and the vaccines were not beneficial for those people, those immune systems were weaker. So for this, so by seeing this condition, today the day is very good, so that's why we have called our guest. She's Vaibhavi and would like to know something about yoga, because she is very well known about yogas. And I would like to ask some important things which is going to be described uh, by Vaibhavi. So I'm going to pass the camera towards Vaibhavi. Now she is going to speak you, she is going to face you and going to give you the all answers about the yoga. Even including this, I would like to wish everyone happy Father's Day too, because today 21st June, as we all know, it's International Yoga Divas. Including this, it's a Father's Day also. So would like to wish you a very good International Day and the Father's Day. Stay fit and healthy. Now my camera is towards Vaibhavi. Now please go.
Hello everyone, it's me Vaibhavi Rajput. So first of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Father's Day as well as Yoga Devas. You know what? Today, whatever the circumstances has been happened, that is just because of coronavirus or the COVID-19, that is much more serious. It's too horrible for even the survival, but there are various methods we could, yes, you know what, these to some extent. Okay, so a very various way or very first initial step we could say to take to make a lifestyle into a yoga, like doing yogic exercises. We have a lot more times, but going into a deeper way, how it can cure us from the various diseases, from the various types of process, from various types of problems, that's going to be learned. So I must suggest you must start yogic exercises. That could be really beneficial, because if I'm going through with it, so there are various benefits of it. Everything has a kind of an
So, as Vaibhavi, hi, welcome back. As Vaibhavi, my sister, just talking about yoga and the benefits of all yoga, she said she just derived the definitions of yoga, the benefits of yoga, even the importance of yoga and the lifestyle. Even everyone, I used to say, everyone have to follow and include this yoga lifestyle in the life. So if we follow, if we include the yoga lifestyle in our life, we used to feel a healthy environment, we used to feel good, we used to feel fresh, even our immune system is get more stronger, and we can fight with this virus also. So without wasting so much time on this discussion, I would like to give you some practical, some demonstration view on yoga by my sister. She knows all asanas. So today we are going to talk about some asanas and the exact postures of that. As she said one line, that everyone used to follow the right posture, everyone used to follow the right flexibility, everyone used to follow the right flexibility, everyone used to follow the right posture. So this all about this possible through this yoga life only. So everywhere we just heard about some asana, but we don't know how to do that exactly, how to do the posture exactly. So she is going to help you out in a very easy way to how to attempt that. And some diseases also, she said opacity, increasing the blood pressure, in this even strengthen in the immune system, these all is going to be rid of this all going to be improved. So even me too learning, as I know I require to, me too learning from her only, and some asanas. So today I'm going to show you some demonstrations of that, some asanas, even the preventions on diseases, and asanas like Trivajasans and some Padmasanas. So many asanas were there, even I don't know much more about that. One by one I'm going to show you asanas, and I'm going to read the asana, and she's going to do practically and demonstrations. She's going to show you the demonstration, the right posture of that asana, and I am going to tell you the benefit also. Okay, so let's start with Varjasana. The first asana which she is going to show you, that is Varjasana. Varjasana is very easiest asana. I'm going to move my camera towards Vaibhavi. She is in a Varjasana mode. So viewer, please see this in a very, viewers, I just going to the turn the camera to Vaibhavi. She is going to do the Varjasana. Vaibhavi, please do the Varjasana.
Take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out.
The benefits of Varjasana is it helps in improving concentrations, it enhances memory power, it helps in curing dysentery, back pain, and chest diseases. It helps in reducing fat also. It strengthens the pelvic muscles. It cures mental stress. So many. It helps in reducing fat also. It helps in digestive systems also. So many benefits of this Varjasana, and it's very easy, I think. Now the second is Padhasanas. Padhasanas, how to do this Padhasanas? See the posture. Now see. This is the posture, right posture of the Padasana, and the Padasana is what? Bend forwards until the fingers or palms of hand and touches to the floor either side of the feet. Try to touch the knees with the forehead. Do not strain. See again, she is doing again, repeating again. And the benefit is what? The benefit is what? Is it improves digestion, reduces constipations, it helps to eliminate excess belly fat too, it makes spine flexible and tones the nerves. How to So thank you very much, Vaibhavi. You have shown us very perfect way, all postures in a perfect way, how to follow all the asanas. We don't have much time, so that's why I am going to show today. We have shown only 4 asanas. If I got the time, then I'll show you some more asanas also, because even asanas including the benefits also we have shown, and shown the right postures also. So would like to again reflect my camera towards Vaibhavi, as I would like to thanks to also, because it is very helpful. It is very helpful to know about the right postures of all asanas. Even in this video I shown about asanas including the benefits also. What are the benefits of these asanas? So it's going to be help you out if you follow a bit, if you start a bit, if you just say by inside, if you just feel from inside that yes, you have to do something, you have to lose something, then if you can include this in our the lifestyle, in our the daily, in our daily life routine, then it gives you surely 100% benefit. Even for this, no need to go gyms. As we people know, in this lockdown period we follow to used to stay in home, so no need to go for the gyms, no need to use that machinery exercises. Everyone has home, everyone has floor. We need only a flat platform, that is the floor. It's very good for that, and for that we used to go these asanas. So today in this yoga sessions we just talk about the asanas and the benefits also. So let's thanks to Vaibhavi again, as she shown a very good postures and all asanas practically. So reflecting camera towards Vaibhavi. Say Vaibhavi, come. So our viewer, all viewers thanking you for showing you the right asana. Please say something to our viewers.
Yeah, so as you have seen the asanas, as I have done, I'm so thank you to you. You have just called me up and just shown our viewers the best asanas. So one thing I could say is that you must include this. It's really good. Genuinely, you have to try it for a better life.